Hey friends, it's Rachel Wynn with Survival the Fatigued, and we've made it to the end. There are 20 total conditions I've compiled that can mimic the symptoms of MECFS perfectly, and today in part 4, we're covering the last 5 conditions. And thanks for sticking with me this whole time. Number 16, sleep apnea. Now, sleep apnea usually is the first test for MECFS. I myself had 5 tests for it over the years because every new doctor doesn't believe your test results from the last one for some reason. Sleep apnea causes fragmented sleep, low oxygen, which can cause confusion and daytime sleepiness and just a pure exhaustion that does mimic MECFS a lot. So the way that you look into this is a sleep study test or a polysomnography. You go get hooked up to a bazillion different leads and you sleep while they watch you for a whole night and they measure everything and see if you stop breathing. Now, if you do, they will stop the test in the middle of the night, slap a thing on your face that helps you breathe, and the people that get that say their whole lives are changed. Again, potential cure. Number 17, narcolepsy. Narcolepsy and MECFS do overlap kind of a lot, and some people can have both. You'll struggle to stay awake even while eating and talking. You can basically take a nap anytime, anywhere you feel like it. For this one, you also test for it with an overnight sleep study, but it's slightly different because there's an added on nap test the next morning called an MSLT. I did this, of course, and I unfortunately fell asleep for every nap, but not to their standards of having narcolepsy. Darn it. Any help. I just want any help. There's also a spinal tap for hypocretin levels that can confirm it also in some cases. Number 18, cancer. So cancer and MECFS both cause unrelenting fatigue, brain fog, sleep issues, and eventually disability. This is also why it should be one of the first things that your doctors start checking for, especially nowadays. So first they'll do a family history, seeing if anyone in your family has had cancers of any kind. So make sure you have a list of that and ask around. Blood tests for cancer markers, a physical, and there's also imaging they can do, nuclear medicine imaging that can actually show cancers in the body. Number 19, celiac disease. Celiac disease is an autoimmune reaction to gluten. You know, anything made of wheat, barley, or rye. And this can mimic MECFS with fatigue, brain fog, diarrhea, abdominal pain, and nutritional deficiencies. And it's kind of often missed because of the overlap with the gut issues that kind of come with MECFS. So if you're still eating gluten, this only works if you're actually still eating it. If you're still eating gluten, the blood test for anti-tissue transglutaminase antibodies, TTG-IgA, and you can also confirm with a small intestine biopsy if you're having a colonoscopy coming up. That's the other thing you can do. I figured it out with an elimination diet, which if you do one properly, they're kind of take a long time and they're not super fun, but they do work to figure out what's causing your problems. Number 20, long COVID. Yeah, long COVID and MECFS, honestly, I don't really see a difference in the symptoms. Many people have gotten MECFS after a virus specifically. This one is like a 1-to-1 overlap with everything. Fatigue, brain fog, PEM. Long COVID initially might have more breathing issues added to it, but there's really no test for this or how to tell them apart. But on the plus side, since researchers are pushing harder to figure out long COVID and solutions for it, consider getting that diagnosis too if you can. It might open some doors in the future depending on what they find with the research. If this list is helping you, please make sure to share it with an MECFS group somewhere. Spread the word because I don't think I've seen a list like this anywhere yet. So share, use that share button. You could probably also share these videos themselves with the doctors, come to think of it. Comment a smiley below, or maybe the word finished if you made it through the whole list. Want more MECFS deep dive content? Try one of my videos here. Please like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and keep on surviving, my friends. You're not alone.